Welcome to our YouTube channel. I once wondered, what if I stood on Venus, our so-called twin planet? That thought didn't last long because Venus would destroy me faster than I could blink. This isn't just a hot planet, it's a death world wrapped in clouds of acid and pressure strong enough to crush submarines. So buckle up, because today we're exploring what happens if you were on Venus, and the facts and numbers will melt your mind faster than Venus melts lead. Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system, yes, hotter than Mercury. Even though it's farther from the sun than Mercury, its thick atmosphere traps heat through a runaway greenhouse effect, pushing surface temperatures to 475 degrees Celsius, 900 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt lead, zinc, and your bones. Atmospheric pressure is 92 times that of Earth. That's like being 900 meters underwater. If you stood on the surface, you'd be flattened like a soda can before you even felt the heat. The air is made of 96.5% carbon dioxide and clouds of sulfuric acid. Forget breathing. One inhale would suffocate and corrode your lungs. And if you tried to open your eyes, acid rain and heat would destroy them instantly. A day on Venus is longer than its year. One Venus day equals 243 Earth days, while a year takes only 225 Earth days. So if you lived there, the sun would rise once every 2/3 of a year, and yes, it rises in the west and sets in the east because Venus spins backward. Winds in the upper atmosphere reach over 360 kilometers per h, 224 miles per hour. While the surface barely moves, the upper clouds race around the planet. If you ever built floating cities in the clouds, you'd be riding a supersonic acid hurricane. Venus glows in infrared, it radiates heat constantly. If you looked at it with infrared goggles, the entire planet would appear as a blazing beacon like a live furnace planet. There's no cool side, no night relief. The surface is covered in volcanoes, possibly still active. Venus has 600 plus major volcanoes and possibly ongoing eruptions. Some scientists believe volcanic lightning and lava rivers still rage beneath the clouds. It has pancake-shaped lava domes. Unlike any Earth feature, Venus's unique surface includes giant, flat volcanic domes, some the size of cities, formed from ultra-viscous lava. The geology here is from another world, literally. Venus reflects 70% of the sunlight it receives. That makes it the brightest natural object in our night sky after the moon, nicknamed the morning star or evening star. But inside that glow lies planetary hell. Soviet probes survived for only minutes. The Venera landers managed to transmit from Venus's surface, but only for 23 to 127 minutes before being destroyed. That's all it takes for Venus to kill advanced tech. A single Earth raindrop would evaporate before touching Venus's ground. Even water vapor would vanish instantly, making oceans, rivers, and even sweat impossible on the surface. Venus has no magnetic field. This means cosmic radiation constantly bombards the planet, adding to the chaos. On Earth, our magnetic shield protects us. On Venus, the sun hits raw and hard. Terraforming Venus? Practically impossible, for now. To make Venus habitable, we'd need to remove most of its atmosphere, cool the surface by hundreds of degrees and scrub acid from the air. This would take thousands of years and planetary-scale engineering. But living in the upper clouds? Maybe. 50 kilometers above Venus's surface, the temperature and pressure are Earth-like. Some scientists suggest floating cities in the clouds, with solar panels and protected air habitats. It's the only place on Venus we might survive. Venus is Earth's warning sign. Venus once may have had water oceans and milder conditions, but climate collapse turned it into a furnace. It's the ultimate what not to do lesson for Earth's future. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Venus may look beautiful from afar, but up close, it's a burning acid trap designed by the universe to humble our species. Stay curious, stay safe, and keep watching the skies.